Step into the future of New York Blood Center Enterprises, a state-of-the-art campus in Rye, New York, advancing over 6 decades of life-saving blood products, pharmaceuticals, and high-quality clinical and laboratory services to our communities. Our Rye campus is crucial to expanding our mission-driven research and cell therapy manufacturing and allow New York Blood Center Enterprises to build an even more cohesive structure among our nearly 1,000 local employees. And we look forward to this campus becoming a collaborative hub for the entire organization. The Rye campus will become our state-of-the-art, multi-purpose, progressive campus, including life sciences research, blood collections, processing and distribution, and cell therapy manufacturing. Strategically located at the intersection of I-95 and I-287, within walking distance of the metro station and the bustling center of Rye, with restaurants and shops, our new 187,000 square foot campus sits on 18 acres with ample parking. Envision an expansive, modern campus with a spacious lobby to welcome employees, visitors, strategic partners, and customers. More inviting and collaborative work environments, conference and breakout rooms, and a redesigned executive suite and boardroom. An open and light-filled atrium and dining services area for our employees, but also designed for events, press conferences, and symposiums with important stakeholders. Extensive, multifunction, open-concept office space. A brand new donor center to welcome our dedicated lifesavers and provide them with a modern, welcoming environment to ensure an optimal donation experience. Offices for comprehensive cell solutions, enabling the expansion of unique partnerships and new therapies. Laboratory services, blood operations and distribution, warehouse, and an expansive loading dock area. The campus will also serve as the new home of our world-renowned Research Institute and research laboratories, continuing our legacy of leading innovation and breakthroughs in transfusion medicine. Great things are happening at New York Blood Center Enterprises, and you make our continued success possible. This is an important milestone for us and an investment in our future. Our employees are our greatest asset. Creating this new, exciting, and inspiring campus will help propel our life-saving work for decades to come and ensure that we continue to meet patient needs and advance science in the service of humanity. Together, we are New York Blood Center Enterprises.